Have you ever felt like the world is pushing against you, and every step forward is met with rejection? But what if I told you that instead of running away from rejection, you could use it to your advantage? Think about it. Rejection isn't a sign of failure, but a pathway to growth. Every no you received was just another step towards your ultimate yes. But how many times have you let the fear of rejection hold you back? How many opportunities have slipped through your fingers because you were afraid to face the possibility of being turned down? What if instead of fearing rejection, you embraced it? What if you saw every no as a chance to sharpen your resolve, to strengthen your character, to become the best version of yourself? Think about the greatest minds, the most successful entrepreneurs, the fearless leaders throughout history. Did they let rejection stop them? No, they embraced it. They used it as fuel to propel themselves forward, to defy the odds to achieve greatness. Now ask yourself, are you ready to do the same? Are you ready to harness the power of rejection and turn it into your greatest asset? In this powerful video, we'll dive deep into the heart of Stoicism, extracting 13 powerful lessons on how to use rejection to your favor. From cultivating resilience in the face of adversity to finding opportunity in every setback. Each lesson will equip you with the mindset and tools you need to conquer rejection and emerge stronger than ever before. Embrace discomfort in the realm of Stoicism. Discomfort is a mighty teacher. Imagine this: you ask your crush out, heart-pounding palms sweating, only to hear a polite, "No, it sucks, right?" But hold on, take a breath. Stoicism teaches us to ask ourselves, what can this discomfort teach you? Maybe it's the resilience to ask again, the wisdom to refine your approach, or the courage to accept rejection gracefully. See, rejection isn't the end of the world. Instead of fleeing from discomfort, embrace it like an old friend, ready to show you the path to growth. Next time rejection knocks your way, don't slam the door shut, invite it in. Pour a cup of resilience. After all, in life, it's the uncomfortable steps that lead to the most beautiful destinations. Imagine you pour your heart into a project, sweat, tears, sleepless nights, all in anticipation of approval. But rejection comes knocking, shattering your dreams like a fragile vase. It stings, doesn't it? Yet amidst the wreckage, Stoicism teaches us that this is where resilience is forged. It's not about the fall, but the rise. How can you bounce back stronger? Maybe it's dusting yourself off and diving back in, armed with newfound determination. Or perhaps it's the resilience to accept rejection as a necessary step for growth. Life's not about dodging rejection. It's about embracing it as the sculptor of your resilience. So when rejection throws punches, stand tall, chin up, and let resilience be your shield. The most breathtaking sunsets emerge after the storm. 3. Practice detachment. Let's face it, rejection hurts. It stings like a slap in the face, leaving us reeling with self-doubt. But here's the secret weapon of Stoicism: detachment. Imagine you've invested countless hours crafting a job application, pouring your soul into every word, only to receive a polite rejection email. Ouch, right? But hold on. Stoicism teaches us to detach our worth from external validation. Instead of letting rejection define your value, ask yourself, am I defined by this rejection or by my intrinsic worth? It's like taking a step back from the edge of despair and realizing that your worth isn't tied to someone else's opinion. When rejection knocks, don't let it shake your foundation. Stand firm in your self-worth, knowing that rejection is just a passing cloud in the vast sky of your potential. Embrace detachment and watch rejection lose its power over you, or find opportunity in adversity. Ever felt like you're running full speed towards a goal, only to hit a brick wall of rejection? It's frustrating, isn't it? But what if I told you that behind that wall lies a hidden opportunity? Treasure? Yes, rejection can be a disguised gift, waiting for the right mindset to uncover it. Think about it. What if that rejection letter is assigned to rewrite towards an even better destination. What if that failed relationship is paving the way for a deeper connection yet to come? See, Stoicism teaches us to flip the script on adversity. Instead of seeing rejection as a dead-end street, ask yourself, what doors could this closed one be opening? Maybe it's a chance to innovate or to discover strengths you never knew you had. So don't let rejection crush your spirit. Let it ignite your curiosity. Embrace the challenge, and who knows, you might just stumble upon the opportunity of a lifetime. 5. Harness the power of persistence. A wise man once said, success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Think about it. Have you ever been on the brink of giving up, only to push through and achieve something incredible? That's the power of persistence. Rejection may knock you down, but it's your choice whether to stay down or rise stronger. Ask yourself, what fuels your persistence in the face of rejection? Is it the vision of your dreams, the support of loved ones, or simply the refusal to accept defeat? Stoicism teaches us that every setback is a test of our resolve. So when rejection threatens to extinguish your fire, ask yourself, how can I keep the flames burning? Maybe it's by finding inspiration in past successes, by seeking support from mentors, or by simply taking one small step forward, refusing to let rejection have the final say. Remember, it's not the absence of rejection that defines, it's the presence of persistence in spite of it. 6. Reframe failure as feedback. Think about it. How many times have you stumbled and fallen, only to realize that each misstep taught you something valuable? That's the beauty of reframing failure through the lens of Stoicism. Instead of seeing rejection as a dead end, ask yourself, what lessons can I glean from this experience? Is it a chance to refine my approach, to strengthen my resolve, or to uncover areas for growth? Stoicism challenges us to embrace failure, not as a verdict on our worth, but as a stepping stone towards mastery. So when rejection knocks on your door, don't slam it shut in frustration. Invite it in, sit it down and ask, what are you here to teach me? It's the resilience to try again, the humility to seek feedback, or the wisdom to course correct. Remember, failure isn't the opposite of success. It's an essential ingredient in the recipe for greatness. 7. Foster a growth mindset. Did you know that your mindset can shape your entire reality? True. The way you perceive rejection can either paralyze you or propel you forward. Have you ever witnessed someone turn a setback into a comeback simply by shifting their perspective? That's the magic of a growth mindset. Instead of viewing rejection as a roadblock, ask yourself, how can I turn this obstacle into a stepping stone? Is it by adopting a mindset of curiosity, resilience, or possibility? Stoicism teaches us that growth isn't about reaching our goals. It's about evolving into the best versions of ourselves along the way. So when rejection rears its head, don't let it define your limits. Challenge yourself to see beyond the immediate setback and envision the boundless opportunities that lie ahead. How can you cultivate a mindset that sees rejection not as a defeat, but as a way for growth to occur? 8. Practice self-compassion. Here's a powerful truth. You are your own best friend, and yet sometimes your harshest critic. But have you ever stopped to consider the impact of yourself? Talk in the face of rejection. It's like a constant internal dialogue, shaping your perception of yourself and your worth. Now imagine this, instead of beating yourself up over every rejection. What if you offered yourself the same compassion you'd extend to a friend in need? Stoicism invites us to treat ourselves with kindness, especially when we stumble. So when rejection leaves you feeling bruised and battered, ask yourself, how can I be gentler with myself? Is it through affirmations of self-worth, acts of self-care, or simply acknowledging that rejection is part of the human experience? Remember, self-compassion isn't a luxury. It's a necessity on the journey towards self-mastery and growth. How can you cultivate a relationship with yourself built on kindness, understanding, and unwavering support? to transform your inner dialogue from a critic to a cheerleader. 9. Build inner strength. Life is full of challenges and rejection is just one of them, but what if I told you that every rejection you face is an opportunity to fortify your inner strength? It's true. Think about it. Have you ever emerged from a difficult situation feeling stronger and more resilient than before? That's the power of building inner strength. Instead of allowing rejection to crush your spirit, ask yourself, how can I use this experience to become stronger? Is it by tapping into your inner reserves of courage, resilience, or determination? Stoicism teaches us that adversity is not a test of our strength, but an opportunity to showcase it. So when rejection knocks you down, don't stay down, rise up. Dust yourself off and let the experience fuel your inner fire. So how can you cultivate a mindset of inner strength that allows you to weather any storm? It's a journey worth embarking on, one that promises to transform you into a force to be reckoned with. 10. Foster authenticity. Here's a question that cuts to the core of our existence. Are you living authentically, or are you hiding behind masks of conformity? It's a question that strikes at the heart of Stoicism, and it's called to embrace our true selves. Rejection and all. Think about it. Have you ever felt the weight of societal expectations pressing down on you, urging you to fit into a mold that doesn't quite fit? Now consider this. Instead of bending and conforming to please others, what if you boldly stood in your authenticity? Rejection be damned. Stoicism teaches us that true freedom lies in embracing our uniqueness, flaws and all. So when rejection threatens to pull you off course, ask yourself, how can I stay true to who I am? Is it by honoring my values, expressing my truth, or simply refusing to compromise my authenticity for the sake of acceptance? Remember, the world needs your authentic voice, unfiltered and unapologetic. So think about how you can cultivate a life that reflects your true essence, that promises to lead you to a place of profound self-acceptance and genuine connection with others. 11. Cultivate gratitude. What if every rejection you faced was a gift in disguise? It's a radical notion, isn't it? But think about it. Have you ever looked back on a rejection and realized that it paved the way for something better? Instead of lamenting what could have been, what if you shifted your focus to what you gained from the experience? Stoicism teaches us that gratitude is the antidote to bitterness, the key to unlocking the silver linings hidden within life's challenges. So when rejection leaves you feeling disheartened, ask yourself, what blessings can I find amidst the disappointment? Is it the opportunity to redirect my path, the lessons learned along the way, or the resilience gained from overcoming adversity? Remember, gratitude has the power to transform even the darkest moments into sources of light and growth, as well as filling your heart with joy and your spirit with resilience. 12. Seek meaning and challenges. Every rejection you face holds within it a profound lesson or a hidden purpose. It's a notion that challenges us to see beyond the surface and delve deeper into the fabric of our experiences. Have you ever encountered a setback that, in hindsight, revealed a greater purpose or meaning? Now, instead of viewing rejection as a mere obstacle, what if you approached it as an opportunity to uncover deeper truths about yourself and the world around you? Stoicism beckons us to seek meaning in the face of adversity, to mine for gold amidst the rubble of disappointment. So when rejection knocks you down, ask yourself, what greater purpose might this setback serve in my life? Is it a chance to realign with my values, to forge deeper connections, or to refine my path towards fulfillment? Remember, meaning is not found in the absence of challenges, but in our willingness to confront and transcend them. 13. Embrace Stoic acceptance. Here's a powerful statement that can anchor you in times of turmoil. Acceptance is liberation. It's a declaration of surrender to the urban flow of life, acknowledging that some things are beyond our control. Have you ever found peace in letting go of the need to control, instead of resisting rejection with clenched fists? What if you opened your palms to receive it with grace and humility? Stoicism teaches us that true strength lies in our ability to accept reality as it is without judgment or resistance. So when rejection knocks on your door, ask yourself, how can I embrace this moment with stoic acceptance? Is it by relinquishing the need for validation, by releasing attachment to specific outcomes, or by trusting in the inherent wisdom of the universe? Remember, acceptance is not about giving up. It's about freeing yourself from the shackles of expectation and embracing the beauty of what is. Congratulations, you've just unlocked the hidden power of rejection. Now it's time to rewrite the rules of your life. Remember, rejection isn't a roadblock. It's a redirection. By embracing rejection, you're harnessing the ultimate tool of empowerment. Think about it, every no is simply a stepping stone towards your yes. It's the rejection that shapes your resilience, refines your character, and ultimately propels you towards success. While others fear rejection, you'll welcome it with open arms. Because you, my friend, are a stoic warrior. You understand that adversity is not something to be avoided, something to be embraced. So as you navigate through life, remember these 13 lessons of reverse psychology. Use rejection as your secret weapon, turning every setback into a setup for your greatness. And if this video resonated with you, don't forget to drop a comment below. Share your experiences, your thoughts, your triumphs. Let's build a community of stoic warriors, supporting each other on this journey of self-mastery. Hit that subscribe button and join us on this adventure. Together, we'll unlock the full potential of the stoic mindset and conquer the world one rejection at a time. Stay strong, stay stoic, and let's thrive in the face of adversity. I'll see you in the next video.